Hello, this is Corey Olsen, president of Signum University, and I am happy to introduce you today to our exciting new program, Signum Tutorials. Signum Tutorials are designed to enable us at Signum to meet almost any educational need that our community has. We already have several programs, of course, that have been serving students and fans for years. We have our MA program, which enables in-depth graduate-level training, and our space program for people who are looking for a more casual opportunity just to learn for fun with great fellow students and teachers. But what about people who are looking for more individualized instruction? Maybe you're someone who has ambitions to complete an academic research project, but you would love a mentor to guide and advise you through this process. Maybe you've written something and want to understand better how to prepare your project for submission for scholarly publication. Maybe you're a creative writer who wants to go further, who would like an advisor to hold you accountable and guide you through your big writing project. Maybe you would like to become an independent scholar, and you would like to undertake a course of study to go deeper in your chosen area of interest, but formal grad school programs don't fit your life right now. For people like these, we can now offer you an exciting new opportunity through Signum Tutorials. Signum Tutorials will pair you with one or more faculty preceptors who will meet with you regularly, acting as a mentor and director to your learning or writing project. You can proceed with your tutorial at your own pace, choosing between lower or higher levels of intensity and time commitment, as fits your project and your life. Tuition for the tutorials program is paid in tokens in Blackberry, just like our space program, so your monthly payments will be easy and affordable, and paced according to your own planning. In fact, the tutorials program is so flexible, we are able to offer one-on-one instruction even for people with very simple educational needs. If you're working on a paper for class, either at Signum or anywhere else, and you would like a tutor to help you with your writing and your paper planning, we can absolutely help you with that. If you're studying one of the subjects within Signum's current scope, focusing on fantasy and science fiction and languages and philology and medieval studies, we can also easily offer subject specialist tutoring to help you through your studies. Maybe you're learning a language online or using a set of Signum lectures you purchased at our store, but you're struggling and would really like a tutor to work with you to help you master the concepts. We can help with that. The tutorials program provides infinite possibilities, as wide as our students' own imaginations. To get started, go to Blackberry and fill out the student interest form in the tutorials section. We look forward to hearing about your projects and academic dreams and to helping you fulfill them.